You too.
Oh my gosh, I love the pink sweater.
Oh wow. I literally couldn't go to this event without taking you with me. I mean, these images talk for itself. This place was magical, a dream. So we start here, and let's see where this takes us. Oh my god, butterflies too. I love it. I want to be shade matched. So we started following this path. There were stairs taking us downstairs, and it was just everything so perfect in every single detail. A dreamy afternoon where everything matches my favorite aesthetic, you know, cottagecore, a little Victorian, Bridgerton. I don't know, it was so pretty. This is so nice. È bellissimo qua.
Little greenhouse.
Shade matching today. So if you guys know your shade, we can use the same shade you already use. If you want to be shade match, you can. We'll have you choose one of the egg designs, and then you'll get to take it home at the end of the day with your design.
Okay, nice.
Do you guys want to be shade match? Okay, so I'm just gonna do it on your neck.
Okay.
Try going a little bit up if you prefer to have a little bit more of a tan. Just kind of blending in. It blends right into the foundation you're wearing. What do you think?
I think this is actually nice.
Yeah, here with the mirror sometimes helps.
No, I think it's nice.
Yeah?
Because then it would be too dark.
Yeah, I think if we go a little
Yeah.
bit. Okay, so that's like neutral. Jeans and like a t-shirt.
And then what they'll do,
Light
neutral.
chin. Let's see what
Oh, but I guess I could take my glasses off.
Yeah.
It's the no makeup look.
Obviously, there was plenty of food and snacks. I'm on a cleansing diet, so I only had some fruits and some vegetables, but it was really pretty to watch. And then we could build our own bracelet with charms or necklace. I picked the bracelet. So funny! Ready to start. I was like, what is Easter egg? I'm so Italian, I don't know.
I had to
never
explain.
did
It's
one.
okay.
Oh my god, it's heavy! Oh. There you go! Magdalene found hers! Yay!
Over here.
With the thing? Yeah!
Oh!
now the egg is gonna fall. I know. Do you have lemonade? There you go. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I got the foundation, guys. Look how cute. Oh, there's my name on it. Ah, so cute, I can't. Alright, that was such a great event. È stato un evento bellissimo. It was so nice. I loved every second. I get too spoiled though, because when I go to these events, then nothing can really compare. But anyway, it's time to open my Easter egg. Let's see what's in it. This is a big Easter egg, and I'm so excited to know what's inside because it's also heavy. So let's check it out. I am so excited. With the sticker here. Look. My name on it. Oh, so cute. There's more tape here. Oh my god, there's really a lot of stuff in here. Oh my god. Ah. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. First of all, we got the Power Pink Beauty Blender. This is the Beauty Blender with the sponge and the soap. The best soap, of course, is Beauty Blender soap. So it works so good. But like, I adore it because it smells so nice. So when you wash your sponge, it's just gonna smell amazing. cute. Then we got Forget Social Media, I'm Dope in Real Life. Oh, this is the Polite Society palette. I don't have this palette. Ooh, I love it. Look, it's all neutrals, like I adore, because my sister said that I'm autumn for the seasons, you know, the colors. So these are my colors, absolutely. Although sometimes I use some pink, like I have it on right now. But anyway, we got some more Polite Society products. These are the lip plumping, the mascara. Sorry, my cat is in the litter box, so you're gonna hear her. Oh, this is so cute. This little stuffed toy. Bunny Bunch Rabbit Rescue. A donation has been made in your honor to the Bunny Bunch Rabbit Rescue. I love everything that helps animals, so I can put this here. So cute. Then we got K18. Absolutely fantastic. I love it. You guys know I love K18. My cat is taking forever to poop, but anyway, we keep going. Look at this. Oh my god, I love it. It's a anti-aging, anti-sleep crease, anti-bad head, pure silk pillowcase, and it's right here. Super cute. I love the flowers. Oh, I love everything with flowers, so this is gonna be so cute. We get a glow recipe, nice. The papaya sorbet enzyme cleansing balm, always useful, a cleansing balm. And then we got burning cherry love fest. This, you guys know, these are my absolute favorite perfumes. Like, they're all so good. Amethyst, you wanna be in the video? These are so good. They are my absolute favorite. There's not one flavor that doesn't smell good, and every time I have to buy it, it's just so difficult to pick one. Then we get some candies, really nice, and chocolate, but this one has milk, so I'll probably gift it. But oh my god, this was so amazing. Such a great Easter egg. Thank you, Polite Society. Oh, I love it so much. And honestly, I really love the gold Easter egg because I like to decor my entrance, you know, whatever is the occasion. It could be Halloween, Valentine's, Christmas. I love to decorate everything, and so I will put this Easter egg out because it's so cute. Oops. Because it's so cute. Right, do you agree? Do you agree? She really want to be in the video. By the way, they gave us more at the event. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this the cutest thing ever with my name on it? I'm gonna show you what's in it. You're gonna love it as much as I did because this is so cute. Oh my god, there's a little tail, the bunny. So we got our Polite Society foundation. I got matched and they gave us, you know, the Polite Society foundation. But check this out. They did a little work of art on it and they made like little flowers on top. How cute is this? And there's my name on it. Like, what? I can't wait. It's tomorrow to try this foundation because now I have makeup already, but tomorrow morning I'm gonna wear it because I went to their first event and they didn't have my shade. I had one that was a little darker, so I never really wore that. But now I'm excited to try this one. Then they also gave us the Diamond Drunk. Basically, this is a whole kit to clean your jewelry. It's really cool. I really want to make a video one of these days showing you how I clean everything because it's a very interesting thing because you don't think about it, but you know, your rings, your jewelry, you wear them every single day. You wash your hands, but you don't wash your jewelry. You know, that's not the way to go. And then there's also a towel where you can clean the jewelry and everything. And then in this basket, there's more products. But most of all, there are all the shades of their new blush, which I adore. Polite Pops. These are so cute. because I have it on right now. You can see it. Well, it's been a few hours that I have it on, but you can still see it. And it's a powder blush. So it's in a stick, so it looks like it's creamy, but then when you apply it, it's powder, and it's so easy to blend with your fingers. Highly recommend. I love it. There's different shades. There's Palm Spring, Paris, London, Milan, Los Angeles, and Sydney. So that glossy lip balm, which I have on right now. I really love this one. The pink grapefruit is my favorite, but there are also other shades. And you know what? When I do this, it tastes good. It's sweet. I love it. Some other eggs with chocolate inside in the Easter egg hunt. But look what's inside this one. It's so cute. Look. This little thing right here. Oh my god, this is so funny. Anyway, that's it. They gave us so many things. It was such a beautiful event. I really enjoy it, and honestly I really needed an event like this because yesterday I wasn't feeling very well. Not like nothing like no fever or cold. I was just like not feeling well. Like my stomach, I had like a little cramps on my stomach, so I was just like, oh, I hope I can go tomorrow. And then, you know, I felt better, so I could go, and I'm so excited. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. Ciao!